Bonafide Hustler here, E-Money here. Today we're garage sailing. That's right, garage sales are back. So let's see what we find today. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of E-Money's spaceship. And we are in an apartment complex looking at a neighborhood-wide garage sale, like the actual apartment complex. Look, whoa. Look how much stuff is at that garage sale. All right. It's starting right now. This is garage sale season is back, and wow, there's some things. Let's check it out. The problem with apartment complexes, we've now figured out, is it's really hard to like park and look at sales and stuff, you know? What'd you get, E-Money?
A black bag.
Yeah, what kind of black bag?
It's just a black bag.
Black bags to bucks?
Yeah, black bags to bucks with Toomey stuff.
Cool, 10 bucks, right?
10 bucks.
That should sell for, that's actually an actual laptop case bag. Should sell for around 80 to 100. 10 bucks, I got this Coach kind of leather bag, shoulder strap, everything. This one's pretty cool. This one's probably gonna sell for around 100 bucks as well. So that's good. First scores of the morning. Looking pretty good, so let's go find some more things. Now, something I don't ask you guys until like the tail end of the video, I don't know why I do that. I'm gonna ask you guys early right now if you like these kind of videos and if you love garage sale season, sort of coming back to normal, sort of, then hit the like button, please. And then follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler too. We're looking around, we are looking around. We are using our ojos. Is that eyes?
Yes.
Okay, good. We're using our ojos and we're looking around for deals. Whoosh. Next garage sale right there, that apartment complex. Started to suck. Okay, so this one is probably gonna suck too. This is a person that puts on garage sales frequently throughout the year, and it's kind of, this person's kind of resellerish, so you can imagine that the deals are gonna be a little scarce. E-Money, he's pumped.
Am I?
I have probably, in the 3 times that I've been to this guy's garage sale, I've probably bought 2 items total. So it's just something to do because there are some garage sales today. We have a trusty little cheddar list right here. Because Yard Sale Treasure Map doesn't have a contract with Craigslist and their APIs, okay, whatever. So, yeah, I have to go back to like manual list building last night, which was nice. I was revisiting old habits, you know? So, we're betting on a sale that's an hour from now. So we have to get some coffee. And this is kind of right here, so let's go check it out. We invested 5 seconds of our life. We'll never get them back. And that garage sale was terrible. So now we're gonna go probably get a coffee or something. All right, so we just came from this garage sale here. Very unassuming kind of garage sale. And I don't know how much we've spent. We spent some money, but a little bit of money. First thing, this was 15 bucks, probably worth like 100. Hain Garik. Awesome jacket. It's just a leather jacket, not so much a biker jacket, but awesome. Should be worth 100 bucks. Definitely vintage. We got a globe for 3 in my booth that'll sell for around 30 to 50. This neat thing that I'm gonna keep in my house for my upstairs, little yoga room. And then look at this, guys. 20 bucks. 20 bucks. Sega CD, the whole unit, 32X thing, whatever. And that right there could sell for, I don't even know the prices of those anymore, like 1 to 2 probably, 1 to 200 bucks. E-Money got this awesome, never been used Bachmann Vintage Orient Express. Tell me, what is it, E-Money?
I opened that thing up.
What'd you say?
I opened it up, like everything in there looks like mint condition, like never even used.
Yeah.
Like locomotives and everything.
Yeah.
So TBD, it could be like the grill, who knows?
What do you mean, did you look it up?
I looked up some of it, and some of it's like
300 bucks?
I haven't seen, no one has the full set on there yet.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah,
nice.
like
look at this thing. It is like a Bachmann Orient Express. He paid 20 bucks and it has not been used. The guy even said he hasn't used it. So, pretty neat. And then we have this really big table that we got to put in the back of E-Money's truck. It's 40 bucks, dirt cheap. I think in town we could probably sell this table for like 200 to 300 bucks. It's like a really cool table, you'll see. Made some money, we're gonna make some money. After much huffing and puffing, we got this table in here. It's a really nice, like solid wood cross kind of, underneath looks kind of like a cross. I'll see if I can dip the camera so you can see it. See, like that. It's a pretty cool table. I think in this town this is 2 to 3. You know, it's got some imperfections, but it is solid wood. This thing was heavy as hell. I'm gonna go back to this garage sale, see if I find any more things to, you know, buy and resell. We'll see. Okay, so we're at the next garage sale right here, which is supposed to be like some outdoorsman paradise kind of garage sale. I saw a bazillion like outdoorsy things. We'll see what happens. There were a lot of things listed out saying like Yeti, Arctic coolers, like North Face sleeping bags. So when someone starts doing that kind of stuff and they list out kind of what they have, you know that there's gonna be some sort of attachment involved. Next shot will be, did we find anything or not? What do you think? You know, this would be a great time to pause the video and comment down below, did we find anything at the third sale today? The third real one that we filmed?
Third real one, yeah.
Do you think we'll find something here? I think we will. What do you think? Let's see. Did you put a comment yet? Did we find anything? Because we did. E-Money got an animal, right?
Huh?
Is that an animal?
What are you talking about?
That's an animal. Yeah, it's an animal, right?
Motorhead.
It's a V6 animal. It's a Motorhead. E-Money. All right, so this thing was how much?
40.
40. Personal or resale?
Personal, and then possibly resell later.
Okay, cool.
Let's see.
And then E-Money has an awesome thing that I found him out of a trash bag that was there. Got this Patagonia awesome like zip up kind of hoodie thing. Really nice, actually. How much was that?
See the zipper like worth $5.
All right, so I find something cool. This could be $100 sale right here. This is a like kind of not vintagey, but it's definitely a rare Woolrich jacket. Very, very, very like substantial, tough. You know, everything is really tough. Anyway, this should sell for right around. Hold on, E-Money, god dang. This should actually resell for around 80 to 100 bucks. I think I paid 10 bucks for this thing, and then 5 bucks right here. This electric backpack, brand new, really nice backpack. Now this could sell between 50 and 100. I mean, it's got everything. Reminds me of a Black Diamond ski backpack, but perfect condition, awesome YKK big zippers with weather stripping, as you can see. So yeah, about 50 to 100 bucks on that bag sale. But this is probably the thing I was really interested in. This even has a hood as well, but it's so hideous looking. I mean, gosh, looks like someone's estate sale just barfed up clothing. So we'll see. You know, truth be told, I'm super under-rested today. Stayed out a little too late last night. And that's why I'm not so animated, you know? But we can remedy that with some coffee. We're here on West Lynn Avenue in Austin, Texas. It's a very rich part of town, honestly. But there's a small little coffee shop called Cafe Medici, and I love it. Okay. Thank you. All right, so just got our coffees. E-Money got a chai, too bad. And let's see what it's like.
Wait, is that 4 shots or 2?
This is 2 shots.
Oh.
Yeah. It's a little on the like cold side.
Mine's great.
Yeah. Too out dope, It could have been hotter.
Should have gotten a chai.
I think we've done pretty well today. We might, I don't know, we're around some thrift stores. Maybe we'll go to them, but I was at them yesterday evening. They're not changed much, I'm pretty sure. So we're gonna get some tacos. Maybe not at Taco Deli this time, this other place, but hang on till the end of the video because I'm gonna show you things in depth at the end of the video. We're gonna get into the things that I found today. So you're gonna wanna see that because you're getting little snippets here and there. I'm gonna show you the real stuff. Yeah.
And Mr. Pepe.
Right here.
Perfect.
All right, so here are the tacos. These look fantastic. We're cheating on Taco Deli. We're totally cheating on Taco Deli, but this looks good. We're gonna mess with it. I like that. This looks awesome. We're at the back of my antique mall. Here's the table that we're gonna be putting in. Pretty nice. Nice and sturdy, pretty table. Throw it in there, see what we get for it. I'll update you guys later. But yeah, we're gonna knock that out real quick and then I'll be at my house and I'll show you the stuff in the garage. There's some neat things. Some things that I actually didn't put on the video, you'll see. Whoosh. All right, it's nighttime and I wanna show you the finds so I can close this video out so I can actually get it down to editing. I know, my hair is wet. It's possible I'll take a shower. All right, so for 15, I think 15, maybe 10 bucks, I got all these signs. I think there's 6 of them. So we have some neat bicycle ones. We have a loose gravel one, a yield one, this one, that one. Pretty nice. Maybe there was only 5. Okay, so never mind, 5 of them. Pretty nice signs. People love messing with these things and using them for projects. So that'll be going to the booth. I'm into each one for about $2, and looks like I'll be able to sell any one of these things from about 40 to about $80, usually in the booth. Also, for $10, I got these three things, 2 license plates that are vintage Texas ones, 83 and 84, pretty nice. And then this Fairview Drive one, which is a street here in Austin, Texas, I believe. Nice sign. You know, these $3.33 a piece. This should go in my booth for right around, I'll be asking about $37 for this, and about, well, maybe a little bit more, maybe like 60 for this, and then I think around 30 for each one of those. Check it out. There's that Sega 32X Genesis everything console. This thing is huge. So yeah, untested right now. It's got the Sega CD thing right there. 2 controllers, NFL Quarterback Club. So a little TBD on this one, but it's probably between $100 to $200 resale. I could be wrong, but that's what I'm thinking. Got a globe right there, and sometimes globes can sell for some pretty big money. This one looks interesting. You know, I'll look it up on the Bay. But usually stuff like this in my booth is around 30 to about $40. I think the real winners come down to some of these things right here. Besides that table that you saw earlier, we have a vintage, right, Hain-Gericke or Hain-Gerique actual bomber style / cafe racer style jacket. And this thing is super awesome. I mean, it's a medium jacket. We have vents right there. It is just really nice looking, but it's bomber style because it doesn't have any padding on the elbows or the shoulders. So it's definitely a nice, stylish, almost Mad Max looking jacket. Look at the back vents right here. So nice. All right, so this one's probably gonna sell for right around, I would guess, $170 to about maybe $250 right here. And I think I paid 10 or 15 for that. And then this, I paid, I think $5 for this thing. Here's that kind of like retro or vintage Woolrich large jacket. It's very thick actually, and it is wool because I put it on and I started itching pretty quickly. But it's nice, you know, it has this kind of like camo look to it, but it's not camo at all. It's like jungle leaves and stuff. I don't know if it's really, it could be camo, but it's just not the typical camo that we see all the time. A really nice piece, very baggy, you know, and it has that drawstring kind of thing on the bottom by where the waist is, so that's nice. We have pockets that go in this way and that way, so that's awesome. But yeah, it's a really nice Woolrich little jacket. That should sell for right around, I would think, $80. And then the first find of the morning right here was $10. This is like a Coach leather shoulder briefcase, so looking nice, typical kind of Coach clasps. And of course, when you deal with Coach bags, look inside, and then you have your numbers, which you can reference those a lot of times on eBay with people selling the same item. But this is nice, the leather's nice and thick. It has just a really good weathering to it, but it's not completely toast yet. It looks pretty good. Yeah, and those are the finds. And I also found a bike later on in the day, about 8 hours later. I was at the park, and I caught a listing 8 minutes into it, and I bought a Specialized Hard Rock, which is sitting right here for $40. So definitely gonna have the girlfriend riding this one, and the one that she hasn't ridden yet is a Trek 3500, and that one right there was $20 on Facebook Marketplace about 2 weeks ago. That'll probably sell for like $250. I would think $250, and now we're gonna be on this one. So nice condition, SRAM shifters, everything, RST shock, a nice bike, stock tires, some really good cheddar finds. Anyway, if you guys love the video and you want more of these, then make sure you hit the like button and follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. Put a comment down below. What was your favorite find? There's so many cool things here. But I'm gonna shoot pictures, get this stuff where it needs to be, so I can re-hustle tomorrow with a clean mind. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy. Goodbye.